Hi, hello, Dr. Stock viewers. Welcoming you all to my new video. In this video, we're going to see about the continuation part of important websites for traders and investors. So we have seen some complete set of 6 websites as of now, and we're going to move up here with some strategy building options site, and we are going to move away for the technical sites as well. So before we start, right, we will continue with if you're a new subscriber and watching this video for the first time, right, I would advise you to make a subscription to my channel and keep motivating us on all our new videos so that we'll be delivering a very good video content for you all. So I want to thank all my 501 subscriber at this point of time, and because of you, I am here. So as the subscribers are getting increased, the content we are currently concentrating much more things on the content. So you a very good content. So stay updated with us, my dear friends. So I'll move to the key technical points about the topic. I'll give a slight refresher on what is the topic we are discussing as of now. It's going to be important websites for traders and investors. So that is the continuation of the one which we are seeing for the past 1 month, right? So it's on the weekends we are getting this particular specific videos getting released. Okay. So screener.com, trendline.com, moneycontrol.com, Market Mojo, Investorlo, Money Works for Me. All these fundamental sites are getting covered as of now. Everything is covered. Okay, all the sites are covered with two websites like that. You can see everything on our playlist. So I have added something like important website for traders and investor as a separate playlist, and you're gonna see that in the playlist in coming days. So now moving on with the important site which we are going to see today. So it's like Opstra defineedge.com. This is the important site which we are going to see today. Okay, so technical analysis I'm going to go in the next week, and now I'm going to go ahead and show you what is this site and what are the advantages of this, how to use it accordingly. Okay, before that, right, I want to show you something related with the this option building. Okay, so it's like how this option strategies are getting built, where we will get all these things. Okay, there is a book called Bible of Option Strategies. Okay, Bible of Options. So I'm gonna give that link in my Telegram channel. I'm going to post that book in my Telegram channel. Okay, so whatever strategy is there, right, in options, something like bear strategy is there, bull strategy is there, something like neutral strategies are there. So accordingly, when you take that strategies, you will be in a zero loss, or something like your loss will be reduced in a very simple way. All these things will be there. Okay, so the complete book will have a complete idea about what is a straddle, what is a short straddle, what is a calendar spread, what is a butterfly. All these things you will be having details on that particular book. Okay, so when you take that strategy and when you apply it, right, so how you can define your loss, how you can define your profit, where you can exactly exit, all these things can be built up in this site website, opstadefineedge.com. I'm going to show you both practically as of now with a strategy and as well as with this site. Okay, as of now, I'm going to build up the site. I'm going to show you the site. So I'll just show you very simple things like what is the thing you can build, something like straddle or something like the buy strategies as of now. Okay, I'll take one live example on the selling side. Okay, and I'll put one more video for the same. As of now, I'll drive you through what is the advantage of the site and what is the maximum loss you can face or what is the maximum stop loss you can face. All these things, how you can use this site and get it benefited is the one which I'm going to show you as of now. So this is the site opstra.defineedge.com. So it's like it is a web URL. So when you can just log in and you can able to build up your option strategies, all the selling strategy or buying strategy, anything you can do it. So we, apart from that, we have so many things like Upstock is having its own strategy building thing, and there is one more called Alpha Options Oracle. Options Oracle. So and again there are some more sites. They are giving something like a tool like setup. Okay, so this is something like a web like setup, and it is very good. I'm going to show you this very shortly with a login. So now I have logged in. Okay, so you will be having this. FIA data here. So that is one advantage here, my dear friends. So you can able to check the FIA data here for the 3rd July. So this is the FIA DIA and FIA net and DIA net. So this is like combined component, and this is FIA DIA. This is for cash market, and you can able to check the derivative as well, FIA DIA. So this is one of the good thing, and it is going to be a pictorial representation. Hope this is helpful here. So it's like only charts and only data. So you can navigate these tabs accordingly. I'll move to the data point. It is like index features and options data, index features only data. This is the one which we have. And options. So this is something like option chain, all the things is there. Results calendar, first adults. So I mean, it's like pro plans. Futures, you can build up all these things. You can check these tabs, my dear friends, accordingly. Okay, so I'm not using all these tabs. So as of now, the tabs I'm using is this both and this portfolio things. So that is what I use. And education, how to use webinars, all those things they have given, and account is something like this. We are not going to go for this tab, and we are going to go for this portfolio tab. So get started, okay? So it's like when you want to make any strategy, right? Let's take up any strategy. For example, right now the value of Nifty is something like close to 10,600. Okay, so when you take it, right, it's pure options buy I'm showing. Let's move on to 9th July. Okay, so when you take this, right, 10,600 C and P, 10,600 C and P. It's a simple buy, my dear friends. So what would be your profit? Something like that. So see here, it is like you're buying both call and put. Okay, it's like it will give a clear pictorial representation like a payoff chart. So what will be your profit? Where we will be getting in loss? Okay. So what I meant to say here is we will be having some stop loss for all our trades, right? So when you go for that stop loss, that will be mostly taken place in the naked buys or naked put. Okay, whatever you do, right? Naked buy, one side, I meant to say, there you will be using these things. When you go for any clubbing things like a hedge activity, actually it's a straddle. When you go for any hedging like activity like buying a call or buying a put, you don't know where to exit and where still how long you can hold and how to minimize your loss, all these things. Okay. So here actually the loss is the one which you buy, the total combination value. Okay, and maximum profit is undefined. Probability of profit is 46.28. This is something like it will depend according to the market, and this is their own software specification. So you don't want to look about it. Total profit and loss as of now is 0. Net credit is 0. So this is something like if you are selling, you will get the net credit. As of now, it's a debit concept, so you won't be getting any credit. Estimated margin or premium is the collection price which you obtain. So as of now, it is 17,160. In buying, you have to pay the full amount. And right now, where is the maximum profit you can able to get when you use this straddle? See here, the dotted line is there, right? Keep your mouse over here. So that is the place where you get. So as of now, it would be like this zone will be in green zone. This red is there, right? This zone will be in green zone. That means that till that time when the green is appearing, there only profit will be coming. As of now, I mean, for every selling strategies, you will be having green here. Okay, and other parts will be like red. As of now, for this strategy, when the market is ending, okay, see here, when the market is ending in 10,400, it's like completely you will be in 10,372 to 10,828. You will be in loss. Okay. When you will be in profit, see the zones, the green zones. When the market is going to 10,100, so this is something like break-even point, right? When you go for selling, this break-even point is something that when the market is range in this value, you will be in profit. But when you go for the buying side, okay, market need to break this and move away. Then only you will be in profit. See here, this is where your profit zones comes. But when the market is ranging in this red zone, you will be in loss. So that is what you have to keep a track on it. Okay. So you created this, right? That means that market is going to make a bull move or bear move in a very long way. Like I can say 400 points correction is going to come. So that is how our 300 points correction is minimum required. Then only you will be in a very good profit. Minimum 300 is required, maximum 400. So something like that only will be a very good profit. And that too need to happen within 2 days. So that is how the risk, I mean, it's like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So within 9th, it need to happen. Okay, anyway, don't consider the last date, Thursday. It need to happen within Wednesday. So that is how it goes. So with this, you know very clearly, when the market is going to end in 10,000, 11,000, what would be your profit? Obviously, your this thing will return 400 plus. The call side. So put side again, it will go for 0 something. So that is how it is going to be. 400 into 75, something like very close to, you can say it is going to be very close to 12,000 something as of now, the profit is given. So this is how you have to check this site, my dear friends, and you have to work accordingly. You can put any strategy you want. Okay, whatever thing you want, right? So buy both side or sell both side. Anything you can put. How to pick up the strategy? I'll let you know the book. I mean, I'm going to show you that book now. So you take that book as an example, right? So in that it is given so much different things. Okay, pick up that example and input Nifty or Bank Nifty or any stocks as per your wish. Okay, and try to experiment this in a back test way. So you can add this. You can add up to 2 strategies in this as a free site and you can track it accordingly. Okay. Do a back test. Do a back test for around, pick up some 5 strategies and do a back test. Short, one will end up in very good things, and going forward, you can start your real trade also, my dear friends. This is how this site works. This is very, very good site. Try to use it, my dear friends. This payoff chart is very good. So accordingly, you can build your things. Okay. I'll try to come up with one more example. Okay. Live example of one more. It's like, it would be like a call like thing. So let's have a look on that. So how it's going to go. So as of now, I have built that one. I'm going to show it live to you guys. So that would be a selling strategy. I'll show that. That would be very simple, my dear friend. So as of now, I'll go ahead and show that book for you, my book as of now. So this is the book I'm saying about, my dear friends, the Bible of Option Strategies. So I'll try to share this book, okay, as a PDF in my Telegram. So you can go ahead and download the same in the Telegram, okay. So my Telegram group. So it is written by Gau Kahan, and this is the one which I was saying about. So here, majorly, I started my option selling learning through this book only. So major things. Whatever things, right? So it is like the 4 basic option strategy, everything, income strategy, vertical strategy. You can go ahead and have a look on this, my dear friends. And what you can do is, you can try to build up, everything is given here very clearly. You can take this things one by one, topics. And what you can do is, you can input the same. You can pick up the same, okay? And you can able to work along with this options Opstra. So what it will give you is, according to the market movement, right? Bull side, bear side, or neutral things, what all things can be possible, all these things. So have a look on this book, my dear friends. Take your time, okay? Spend like 1 day, 30 minutes or something, like 1 day, one particular strategy. Try to take it, okay? Try to take it and try to understand it, okay? This requires simple understanding of English language and simple things. When you take it in that way, you take this in one direction and the understanding is given one direction in the book, right? Pick up the same and try to input the same in the Opstra thing. So then what you will be knowing is, you know very clearly how the market is behaving for your understanding, or what is the book is saying. So which one is there. So like that, try to interpret, and you will be getting a very, very good knowledge at the end of this confirmation, okay? So likewise, I've built up so many strategies. So something like, I can say that you can build up strategies like whatever direction the stock is moving, right? You don't want to bother about anything. So it's like you will be very safe. So all these things you can able to bring up in this strategy building things, okay? So likewise, you can build up so many things here. So all the things is given very detailedly with description in this book. I'll try to post this book's PDF link in my Telegram group. Try to utilize it and pick up the strategies and try to explore this with the Opstra edge. Okay, so that will be beneficial for you at this time. Try to use this time, quarantine time, my dear friends, in an effective way, so that everything will change in your trading life. Thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. I'll come out with a strategy video that would be like a live call in very short, my dear friends. Hi, my dear friends. Hope you like the content of this video, right? So try to pass this content to the useful people who are looking out for building some option strategies or who want to learn more about option selling. So try to pass this materials to them so that they will get benefit, and we as a group can go to the next level. Okay. Try to stay updated with us on Telegram, my dear friends, so that you will be getting all the live updated news on the market time. So try to subscribe to our channel and stay safe, stay healthy, and stay home for some more days, my dear friends. Thanks for watching this video. I'll catch you shortly with 2 to 3 more videos for the day. Thank you, my friends.